Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Logitech PRO X2. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now it can connect automatically, or you can click on it at the device list. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So right here at the left ear cup we have this power button. Now slide down it to turn off your headphones. And after that, slide up to turn on it. Now it reconnected. Cool. But if this method also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So turn off it, and now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that turn on your headphones by slide up this power button. Then press and hold this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, and now click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!